Now solve for x in this math problem here. Now 8 power x is the same as 2 power 3. 2 power 3, everything raised to x, and then plus 2 power 2 is equals to 130. And when you have a number like if you have a power m everything power n, this one is the same as a power n everything power m. So 2 cubed power x, so 2 power 3 everything power x can also be written as 2 power x power 3 plus 2 power x is equals to 130. Now from here you can let 2 power x equals to y, from which we shall have now y power 3 plus y is equals to 130. Now I can bring 130 on my left hand side of the equal, so that I shall have y power 3 plus y minus 130 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to look for the nearest cubic number to 130, and the nearest cubic number to 130 is going to be 125. And if we rewrite minus 130 in this form, we shall have now minus 125 minus 5. So rewriting that equation, we shall have y cubed plus y and then minus 125 minus 5 is equals to 0. Now 125 is the same as 5 cubed, so y cubed plus y minus 5 cubed minus 5 is equals to 0. I want to bring this one here, collecting like terms. So y cubed minus 5 cubed plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. And if you have a number like a cubed minus b cubed, this one is usually equal to a minus b into bracket, open another bracket, and then we have a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we are going to use this principle here to rewrite y cubed minus 5 cubed. So what we shall have here is y minus 5 into y squared plus 5y plus 5 squared, and then plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now we can simplify further by writing y minus 5, because here I shall have 25. Y squared is the same as 25, so this one into y squared plus 5y plus 25, everything inside the bracket, and then plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now what you realize from here is that, let's give me an example. If you have an equation like mn plus m is equals to 0, this one is the same as m into n plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can use this one to rewrite the original equation here and say we are going to assume that y minus 5 is the same as m now, and the whole of this is n, because we have y minus 5 here, another y minus 5 here. So rewriting, we shall have y minus 5, everything into y squared plus 5y plus 25, and then you are going to add what? You are going to add 1. You are going to add plus 1, and this one equals to 0. Yeah, because y minus 5 into y minus 5, it is going there once. Now y minus 5 into y squared plus 5y plus 25 plus 1 is 26 is equals to 0. Now if you have such an equation, then this one implies that either m is equals to 0 or n plus 1 is equals to 0. So applying the same here, we shall have y minus 5 is equals to 0 or y squared plus 5y plus 26 is equals to 0. Now from which here y shall be, if this one crosses, it becomes y is equals to 5. Now again here, this is a quadratic equation, and we need to find the solutions to this quadratic equation, and to test if that quadratic equation has possible solutions, you take delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac, and this one is equals to b squared, here b is 5, b squared is 25 minus 4 into a is 1, and then c is 26, from which the value here shall be a value which is going to be less than 1. So if you simplify that one, you'll find that delta is less than 1. So delta is less than 1, because if you have 4 times 26, this is approximately equal to 100 and something. If you take 26 here times 4, this one is 24, this one is 8, and that is 104. So if you have 25 minus 104, this one is the same as negative 79. So negative 79 is less than 1. So there are no possible solutions. There are no possible solutions. So the only option we have here is that y is equals to 5. But since we did let here that 2x is equals to y, so since 2 power x is equals to y, then it means 2 power x is equals to 5, because y was given as 5. Now for you to get the value of x from here, you introduce logs on both sides. So log 2 power x is equals to 5. Now log 2 power x is the same as x log 2. This is x log 2. Sorry, here we were supposed to introduce logs on both sides of the equal. So this one is log 5. So x log 2 is equals to log 5. And x alone is the same as log 5 divided by log 2. And that one is the same as, if you take from your calculator directly, you just go to, you find log 5 and then divide by log 2, you will find that x is equals to 2.322. So that is our value of x. Now from here, you can use your calculator to prove that x is the same as 2.33. Which if you take from our original equation here, if you take 8 power x, which is 2.322 plus 2 power 2.322, you'll find that the answer is 130.01 something. So this is how you go about such complex logarithm equations.